Welcome back to your home of crypto, the Crypt. Today we're going to be looking at some really big news that's going to pump the markets going forward. So let's look at where the markets are going. Let's look at this big news, what to expect. So let's dive right in. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. We're having a red day in the markets today, but as they say, always good to buy the dip, guys. Always good to buy the dip. And if we zoom out, all we need to do is zoom out a little bit on the week. We're all green on the year, very green. Okay, this is the top 100, so just sometimes we need to zoom out a little bit. It's always good to buy the dip, especially around the halving time when we got massive parabolic gains to be had. So let's have a look at some of this news. Make sure you stay tuned right to the end to hear some of the most groundbreaking news in this space, but we will get right into some of it right now. So they're on the total crypto market cap. We've just broken out this downward wedge and we're retesting it. So this is at 2.2 trillion. If we go up to 2.3 trillion, we break through there, then we can expect a massive upside to about 2.8 trillion, all-time highs basically. So looking out for a bounce from this wedge here for the total crypto market cap. Why could this be happening? Let's have a look. Bankrupt FTX plans to overpay all customers with around $15 billion in recovered cash. How much of that will flow back into Bitcoin? These guys missed out on the Bitcoin gains last year because their money was tied up with FTX. Now they're getting their money back. They're probably going to want some of the action going forward after the halving. So make sure you watch this space for the money coming into the Bitcoin market from FTX. So let's have a look. We had a downward sloping trend with Bitcoin and we've broken out and retesting. So that's what we're getting ready to see, this parabolic bounce off the retest here for Bitcoin. We've broken out on the RSI from multiple downtrends as well. And we're retesting there. Let's have a look at some more of the news. $800 billion Standard Chartered Bank reports that Donald Trump presidency would be good for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so looking out for the presidential election later on this year, Standard Chartered says it would be good for Bitcoin and crypto. Also, we have this chart here, having a look at the effect of the presidential election on Bitcoin prices potentially. We had an election 2016, then we saw a massive pump to the upside. Election 2020, massive blast to the moon, and now we're about here in 2024, and we've got presidential election coming up. So very likely we're going to see a massive top after that. There's lots of bullish news here. Even more bullish news. Bitcoin could benefit from a Trump win and US fiscal dominance. That's Chartered. This is their prediction. The bank reiterated its year-end Bitcoin price target of 150,000, 200,000 for the end of 2025. That's what Standard Chartered, the big investment bank in America, is saying. We've also got Bernstein. Bernstein analysts double down on $150,000 Bitcoin price prediction. Analysts cited a variety of factors when doubling down on their prediction may hit $150,000 this cycle. So that's Bernstein as well, massive investment bank. So that tops even my estimate of 130,000. So looking very bullish for some of these. Let's have a look at some of the other coins then today before we get into the biggest news of all at the end. Fetch AI has broken out this downward sloping broadening wedge, and we're broken out, we're retesting and we're getting ready to blast up to the moon for Fetch AI. Very good coin, Fetch AI. Pepe looking most bullish of all. We've had this upward sloping channel now for Pepe. So looking to go back up to the upside of this. We need to just break through the 0.786 line for Pepe. We've tested it a few times now, so looking to blast through that very soon for Pepe. Very bullish. And Solana, one quick thing with Solana. Solana, we have broken out of downtrend and we're blasting up past the 0.618, which is bullish. We bounced off of there, and we just need to break through the 0.786 again. So that's the next target, $169 for Solana. We have a bullish divergence here where we had higher low on the RSI with a lower low in the price. That's a bullish divergence, as you can see from the RSI indicator there. So to the even bigger news in the market, what's pumping AI sector in particular. Okay, so as you know,
Apple are releasing Apple Vision Pro, and they're integrating Render blockchain into this. Okay, so let's have a quick read. This revolutionary spatial computer, the Vision Pro, powered by Apple's collaboration with Render, demonstrates this transformative potential of combining cutting-edge hardware with advanced blockchain solutions. So AI technology, Render, is being used with Apple's Vision Pro. So very bullish news for Render in the AI sector. That could be why it's pumped 32% this week, as you can see. But so a very important coin to be looking out for, especially the rest of the AI sector as well. It's only at 4 billion, but with collaborations with Apple could really progress bullishly through this market. Guys, I hope you've received some value from this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you all.